I'm at my son's gravesite, and so many things don't seem real to people unless it happens to you. My son died in a drunk driving accident 12 years ago. I talk about this topic a lot, but I don't think people often take it seriously. Like, I'm on trauma call this week, and they come in with brain injuries. They're paralyzed from their neck down or waist down. Never think it's going to happen to them, and they don't take it seriously, but then once it happens, it becomes real. And then once it's real, it matters to you. So make it real for you now. It's okay to go out and have fun, but please, if you've been drinking, don't get into a car and drive. Have somebody drive you home, an Uber, a Lyft, a friend, and don't get into a car with someone who's been drinking, because you can end up right where my son is. It's preventable. It can get real very quickly and change your life forever. So please, don't drink and drive.